Hey, Captain Chrus Johnson here. I just got off an amazing webinar in Bangladesh. Oh my God, it was so much fun. They made some crazy videos of us singing, and I know Marty DeGarmo, as soon as he gets that copy, he's going to send that to Ash and probably put it in the back office. So make sure you check it out. Bangladesh, very, very proud of you. We had Corinne, Red, Marty, Angie, Pete, oh my gosh, Julie, Milo, all came in and helped us out with Bangladesh once again. Always fun, Bangladesh. I love you guys to death. You got me all fired up and excited again, as always, but appreciate all you guys are doing over there. What's going on today? Red was just asking me, Chris, what's next? Where are we going next? I believe there's a 3 o'clock, and I have to look at the schedule, but I'm going to look at that. Prefab, what's up, Beth Allen? MD, what's happening? Tanya and Passive, let's get this going here. All right, I do know of two very important presentation Q&A at 8 o'clock tonight, which is Robin Noble, Pam Turner, Kevin Rutledge, myself, Marty, Dan and Mike. That's at 8 o'clock tonight. I will have that posted. That is for guests. I will post that on my Facebook. It's also going to be posted in the back office a little later. And then at 9:15, we have the rapid fire, which is for founders only. Founders only. That link will be in the back office. And of course, I'm late because why? It's Bangladesh Thursday. That's why. Bang, 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 Bangladesh. That's why we're always a little late. I know Marty jumped on earlier. I got to go watch his live. He's a lot smarter than I am. I should have just did it earlier, but hey, I like going to webinars that get me crazy excited, and that's what they did. Guys, Onpassive, wow. You know what? It's hard to put in words how big Onpassive really is. I just shared a Julie Milo show from last night. Michael Williams was on there. Michael Williams always says things that gets people fired up, and please, I just posted that. Watch it. Listen to what Michael has to say. Michael is already a very successful person from online businesses for a long time. He jumped in this. He is actually our top leaderboard dude. He's killing it. But if you listen to what he has to say, I guarantee you'll want to join Onpassive because it's truly amazing what this is all about. You have no idea. To anyone that doesn't understand what it is, please ask me, ask anyone that shares this all about Onpassive. I promise you, you'll be blown away. I really do. I can actually say that from my heart. Samath O'Harish, how you doing? Manoj, how you doing? Diane Lennon, what's happening? My sister, MDSF, Ron Herbert. I was in Bangladesh, Ron. I was trying to watch your live. I did share it. Way to go. That's how it's going. Jacqueline Lewis, what's happening? Dave, what is angelic? I'm going to say that wrong. I know I always do. But Dave, my fisherman buddy, who eventually we're going to go fishing, is going to be pretty cool. Who else am I missing here? But listen, folks, today is a great day. Every day is a great day to get into Onpassive. Why? Why? Because number one, it's going to pay you to use their products. It's going to build you a business. Hey, Vera, what's happening? Pam Turner is in the house. All right. That's what's so great about this. Brand new, something brand new that's never been done before. Okay. Just like when you all heard about the iPhones, you all ran out and got them. Same thing on Onpassive. And the why is people going to join Onpassive? Because it's going to earn them an income, residual income from the world. Hey, Debbie, what's happening? That's the truth, folks. Believe it or not, it's happening. It's rolling out. And yeah, it's huge. Sometimes we hit some bumps where Ash has to change some things. And that's part of building a global world business. Our business. Okay, remember that. Our business that he shared with us for $97 to get in a multi-billion-dollar company. Yeah, I got my naysayers. I get it. But you'll be joining this family once we launch to the world. It's pretty amazing. If you actually plug into it and understand how big this is, what it's going to do to the internet, how it's going to change humanity, change lives. It's going to take a lot of struggles away from millions of people because it's going to do it all for you. All for you. Do you understand that? It's all done for you. All you really got to do is pay your taxes. And my God, you are going to pay a lot of taxes. So you can, and by the way, we just went over the 900,000 mark. I think we got like 900,500 right now. Pretty amazing. All right, over 900,000 founders. All right, the last few months have just blown up. Blown up. Why? Because these people, these 900,000 founders, checked it out. They plugged in. They said, oh my God, I got to be part of this. All right, when's the last time you were part of something this big? An average Joe like me, all right, seen it from my buddy Peter Shore, jumped in on it, plugged in, and every day I wake up, it's something bigger and better. It's going to be faster. It's going to be unbelievable what it's going to do. And we get to turn around. Well, you know, what's our guarantee? We get to help people. That's my guarantee. And what we're doing now is sharing this to help you in your situation. Join something that's going to completely change you, change your country, change your life. It's unbelievably awesome. All right. And a lot of you see me on here every day talking about it. And why I talk about it is because I really do care about you. I know your struggles. I know what it's like to work 89 to 100 hours a week. It's no fun. Yeah, you make some money working all the hours, but you lose. You lose your time with your family, your friends, enjoyment. Okay? This is something brand new, folks. Something that's going to give you your time back. That's going to earn you a residual income from the world, and you have the opportunity right now to jump in as a founder. All right, it's $97. $97, that's going to completely change your life. You could be passive and not do nothing. A lot of people are like that. Or you can get out and share like we do. And when we say share, all right, we're talking about people that you know that are struggling. Neighbors, maybe people that go to your church. All right, there's a lot of people out there struggling right now, especially because this coronavirus. My buddy Key Wendell, he's a nurse, and he tells me every night about how bad this has gotten and what he has to go through every day. I give Key a lot of credit for what he's doing. It's not easy. He sends me some pretty sad things. So please stay protected. I also want to call out Trevor Peters. It's his birthday today. Let's see. I wished everyone happy birthday, but I know Trevor Peters, happy birthday to you. He's got a whole bunch of little kids running around all the time. He's built a really good team. Very proud of him. I'm also proud of the Leadership Council, who's gotten out and really exploded this with the founders. We have some very, very beautiful, wonderful speakers. Red, Michael, Marty. All right. All these right there, those three guys, if you listen to Mike Ellis, four guys, if you listen to what they got to say, if you really understand what they're trying to tell you, this is huge, folks. This is something that isn't going to come around again. It's not going to come around again. You already missed a whole bunch of stuff because they didn't invite you to become a founder. That's the honest to God truth. Let me scroll down and get some names here. Kenton Patterson from New Zealand, my brother, my Kiwi brother, how you doing? MD Sarwart, how are you? Biswit Sen, what's happening? Cheryl, how you doing? Ooh, I'm missing some names. Listen to what Diane just said. Read what these comments are. Canary, what's happening? Wow. Congratulations there, Canary. Wonderful. Zaharal, how you doing? That's what it's about, guys. It's about the electricity that's going through the air right now with Onpassive. Over 900,000 founders have joined. They know the light bulb that went on in their head when they seen this. They know what's coming at them. They know how much they're going to be able to help out their countries. And boom, it's that simple. Listen, it's this easy. PM me or anyone that shares this, hey, send me one of those invite links. All right, it's that simple. Boom, you get in, you put your name, your email. GoFounders will send you another email. You get in there, you verify your email, you pay, you're in. Boom. 5 minutes, folks. 5 minutes to change your life forever. All right. Yeah, this is going to happen. Yeah, this is going on. Yes, it will change your life. All right. But it's up to you. It's up to you to say, Chris, send me that link. Trevor, send me that link. Red, send me that link. Marty, send me that link. Pete, send me that link. All my auto workers, especially right now in my plant, had some gas spillage going through the ground, people's houses. All right? You're not going to have no spillages. The only spillage you're going to have in Onpassive is the overflow that's going to come your way. All right? Time stamped when you get in. It's going to be amazing. But auto workers, listen to me. I did the 32 years. It was not easy. It was hard. It's hurt me in many ways. And you don't realize that till after you retire what actually hurts. Because when you're working like that 80, 90, 120 hours a week, it tears you up. It tears you up physically and mentally. Why? Because you miss a lot of things in your life because of work. All right? Ash Mafara designed something where you can stay home, earn residual income, and go enjoy yourself, guys. If anything, check that out. All right? This isn't going to happen when you sign up, boom. This is going to take 6 months, a year, 2 years, but it keeps growing. It doesn't stop growing. My God, there's no caps. Remember, 4.7 billion internet users that are pretty upset about all the other platforms abusing and using your information, making billions of dollars. None of them have ever paid you. Oh, hold on. I'll call you back. Sorry. I think I just got knocked. Oh, there we go. Someone just called me, but hey, get in this. Please check it out. It's worth everything. If I sent you a funny joke, I know you'd read it. Red Redfern, what's happening, Dave? James Yates, Cheryl, Bess. Guys, just check it out. That's all I'm asking you to do. We got webinars that go 24/7 all around the world, every language. All right? Don't be a fool and check out what's cool. And what's cool is Onpassive. See that? Onpassive. Pretty soon you're going to see it everywhere. And when you see it everywhere, there's going to be over 500,000 people right now that's going to go absolutely crazy. Because now they get to adjust their lifestyles. All right? Now they can think in a year, man, might be able to retire here. You know, we just had the big holiday weekend. How many of you really wanted to go back to work on Tuesday? You had such a great weekend. It was beautiful in Michigan. The boaters, the campers. How many of you said to yourself, man, I really don't want to go to work on Tuesday? You are going to have that choice, guys. You're going to have that choice. Why not check it out and give yourself a choice? Or are you just going to keep working for 30, 35, 40 years trying to pay your kids' college or house payments? We got a company that's going to do all that for you. All right, that's the truth. Believe it or not, that's the truth. All right, this is happening. All right, it's going to go strong. It's going to change your life. It's going to change, I guarantee it's going to change your attitude. You're going to realize, wow, I got so much coming in. What can I do good? That's what Onpassive was designed for, to do good. All right, but I'm telling you, each day that you wait to get in, you're losing number one, a timestamp position, which is a plus. It's a plus, folks. Get in this. Check it out. Please get on these webinars. I'm going to post the 8 o'clock public, which is something cool. Robin Noble gives an excellent presentation. We talk about questions. You can answer any questions, and it's that simple. But literally, we have webinars all over the world. I got to get on my schedule here and see what's going on. But please just check it out. I'm not begging you. I'm asking you. You want change in your life? Ask yourself, do you want change in your life? Look at your kids, look in their eyes and ask them, I want change because I want to make sure your life is better than when I had it. We don't want your kids to struggle. This is it, folks. This is the new big thing that's going to be, oh my God, it's going to make you so successful you don't believe it. It's guaranteed your success through Onpassive, folks. All right? I'm going to keep talking about it. I told everyone the day we launch, I'm going to sleep for 3 days because we don't sleep a lot. Why? Because we're excited to get this out to everybody. So I got to get going. Happy birthday again to Trevor. Everyone that's got a birthday, happy birthday. We love you. If you're sick, we're praying for you. But remember this, guys. Negativity is like a 1,000-pound anchor wrapped around your neck. it's going to keep taking you down. Don't let a negative person scare you away from something this good. This is real, folks. Real and happening. I love you all. We'll see you later. Ciao! It's coming!